Hello, I'm back. We were talking about the letter or email of complaint, and then the tenants in Stella's building had to write an email of complaint. So we are on student book, page 118. We are student book on page 118. Okay, let's read once again. Repeat after me once again. I am a tenant at 3914 5th Street. I am writing to you about the many problems in the apartment building. My neighbors and I made a list of problems. In our apartments. The list of problems is in the attachment. Many things are broken. Leaking. Clogged or jammed. And we are very upset. Could you please send a repair person? To fix these things immediately. You can contact me at 713-555-1944. If you have additional questions, you can also come and talk to me. I live in apartment 4B. Thank you for your attention. To these apartment problems. Stella Taylor, Chairperson, Tenants Committee. So when you look at the upper part of this email, you can tell who is reading this email and who is writing this email, okay? To Derek Betcher, and then from Stella Taylor. Okay, Stella is writing this letter, and Derek Betcher is going to read this, getting this email. And subject is apartment problems. Okay, let's solve the problem here, okay? See, number one, what is the subject of the email? I told you what is the subject of the email. The subject of email is apartment problems. Number two, who is the email to? Who is the email to? To Derek Betcher. Number three, what is Stella's title? What is Stella's title? Stella's title, as you can see here, Chairperson, Tenants Committee. Number 4, what is in the email attachment? What is in the email attachment? When you see this line, she said, the list of problems is in the attachment. So the answer is a list of problems in the apartment. The list of the problems in the apartment. Okay. Number 5, in the email, what is a word that means quickly? What is the word that means quickly? See, could you please send a repair person to fix these things immediately? Immediately. Repeat after me. Immediately. Immediately means quickly. Okay? Immediately. Good job. Good. Okay. Let's move to our workbook, page 110. Page 110. Okay, let's do this part. Before we do this part, let's read the words once again. Let's read. Repeat after me. Broken. Burned out. Clogged. Cracked. Dripping. Jammed. Scratched. Stained. Okay. Okay. Let's see. This is an email. From whom? Jim Bowen. From Jim Bowen. To whom? B is torrent. Date? December 2nd, 2017. Subject? Apartment problems. Okay, let's find the answer. Dear Ms. Torrent, I am writing on behalf of myself and several other tenants in your apartment building. We are contacting you because we are upset about problems in the building. There are broken windows and many cracked ceilings. You need to paint the walls because they are stained. We can't open some windows because they are jammed. You need to replace many of the light bulbs in the halls because they are burned out. Some faucets in the sinks are dripping. Also, many doors are scratched. And some toilets are clogged. Please reply to Jim Bowen in apartment 822. Thank you for your attention. Okay? Okay, let's repeat after me, okay? Dear Ms. Torrent, I am writing on behalf of myself and several other tenants. In your apartment building. We are contacting you because we are upset about problems in the building. there are broken windows. And many cracked ceilings. You need to paint the walls. Because they are stained. We can't open some windows. Because they are jammed. You need to replace many of the light bulbs. In the halls. Because they are burned out. Some faucets in the sinks are dripping. Also, many doors are scratched. And some toilets are clogged. Please reply to Jim Bowen. In apartment 822, I'm sorry. Thank you for your attention. Okay, let's solve the problem number 2. Answer the questions. Number 1, who sent the email? From Jim Bowen. 2, list all the apartment numbers in the email. See, you can see the list here, right? Here, apartment 822-201-412-605. Number 3, what is the subject line of this email? Subject, what is subject? Apartment problems. Number 4, who is the email written to? Who is the email written to? To Ms. Torrent. Number 5, how many people are upset? How many people are upset? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people are upset. Number 6, who should Ms. Torrent reply to? Who should Ms. Torrent reply to? The person who is writing this email. Jim Bowen. Okay, that's the answer. Okay. Okay, let's move to our student book, page 119. Page 119. Okay, let's read the words again. Broken, clogged, cracked, jammed, leaking, stained. Okay, this is a list of problems at Stella's apartment building. This is a list of problems at Stella's building. Okay, apartment building. Let's see. Okay, before we talk about the list of Stella's apartment building, we talked about email. Okay, even though we write a letter or email of complaint, it should be polite way. It should be polite way. Although complaint emails are often written by angry or upset people, they are formal and should not be overly emotional. An email that sounds reasonable is more likely to get a good result than email that insults the person who is reading it. So when we write, even though we write a complaint, email of complaint, we should write a polite way that it's gonna get a better or a more positive result. Okay? So we gotta remember that. Now, let's go back to the list of Stella's apartment building. Okay, problems at 3914 5th Street. Apartment 1F, the carpet is, number 1, the carpet is what kind of problem? Stained. The carpet is stained. Number 2, apartment 2C, the front door lock is jammed. Picture number 2, the front door lock is jammed. Number 3, apartment 3A, the bedroom walls are cracked. Cracked. Apartment 4B, the living room window is broken. Apartment 5B, the refrigerator is leaking. Apartment 6D, the kitchen sink is clogged. Clogged. Let me write down the answer. The carpet is stained. The carpet is stained. Okay? Number 2, the front door lock is jammed. The front door lock is jammed. The bedroom walls are cracked. The bedroom walls are cracked. Okay, and then the living room window is broken. Window is broken. Then the refrigerator is leaking. Leaking. And then the kitchen sink is clogged. Okay? Okay, this is the answer, clogged. Okay, repeat after me. The carpet is stained. The front door lock is jammed. The bedroom walls are cracked. The living room window is broken. The refrigerator is leaking. The kitchen sink is clogged. Okay, let's look at number 3. Look at B. First, what are the problems? We just read about the problems, okay? Second, who is the email to? Is the manager, building manager. Okay, does the email have a subject? We just talked about the subject. Okay, we always have to write a subject on the email. Okay, let's take a break here and I'll be back after break. Thank you.